Take command of the road in the 2015 Jeep Patriot. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, a roof rack, and much more. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.